Hey guys, so here we are at La Cueva del Tigre, which is a restaurant and a viewing spot for the Laguna de Pollo. You can also see a volcano and the city of Granada from here. And the city of Granada is those little white spots you see there, but the Volcán you can clearly see in the background. So we will be heading to that volcano to actually zip line. So you will be seeing that next.
Safari trucks, getting snacks right now. It's my wife. It's Dewey, the Dewey. It's one of our drivers. He's pretty dripped out. It's our safari van. It's our driver. He's pretty dripped out with his sheen haul. It's the Nyla, the CC, my Woogie. Oh, no more cookies? It's coffee. Wow. Look at that coffee over there. Wow. Hijaro Loe?
We're going up the Volcán Mombacho.
The outskirts of the volcano.
We're going up the we're about to go on down the zip line.
I didn't move a bit.
Coming now is
Going up.
Oh, yeah.
So when we got to the top, we saw monkeys in the trees. You could see like a little family of monkeys. But right after this, the next clip, we are actually on the bridge going to zip line. So here we are in the beautiful city of Granada, Nicaragua. It was founded in 1524 by a Spaniard, Francisco Hernández de Cordobas. The city was built to become a center and central city of the region. It's one of the oldest colonial cities in Nicaragua, along with León, and one of the oldest cities on the American continent. This city is beautiful, you guys. The videos really didn't do it justice, but it's definitely worth going to see if you ever visit Nicaragua. The structures of the building are so beautiful, guys.
You said this place what?
This place is good. Look at the moon.
Wow, the moon.
Take a picture.
No, dude. I know how the moon looks.
What race to wear? Canada's in. Let's go. Hi. No, it wasn't. There's a flyer at this first. Let's go.
Dude, I thought that dude was in that car.
Yeah.
I thought that was your car.
We're still here in Granada. It's just beautiful. Central Park in Granada. You can get, it's like a little market. You can buy food.
Nicaragua at night. Galletito, cafecito, Biblia,
And some homemade bread and eggs.
yeah. Gallo pinto, huevos, maduro, pan. Mantequilla. Look at that butter. That's real butter there. Cafecito y Nicaragua.
Well, this concludes the third part of our video of our trip to Nicaragua. So stay tuned for more, because originally I did say only like 3 videos I was going to do, but really I have so much footage, so I want to get as much as I can released. So stay tuned.